So now you guys should have watched the video or understood how to describe intervals not only by quantity but also quality. So if you're still not sure how to fill out your worksheet, I'm going to explain a little bit of each of the types of questions. So question 1, the first thing that you guys should already easily be able to do is just write the quantity. So you could go through and write the number of all of these or just do it one at a time. It's up to you. So we need to count from the bottom note. This is D, E, F. So that was 3 letter names, so it's a third. Write 3 in there. And then once you've written that in for however many you want to do, you need to work out the quality. So remember, we need to go, okay, our bottom note is D. We're looking at major scales. In D major, we have an F sharp and a C sharp. So does that apply to any of our notes? Our top note is an F. So usually that would be an F sharp if it was in D. So because it's a semitone lower than the major scale, the note that it usually would be, we make that a minor third. So that's indicated with a lowercase m. For our next one, this is an A flat to an F, A, B, C, D, E, F. That's a fifth. So remember that fifths are usually perfect at the moment. So let's just check that it is. So this is A flat major has a B flat, E flat, A flat, and a D flat. Doesn't have an F flat, so that's fine. So this one is perfect. Fifth, so we write P5, and you go along like that. Remember that these last two questions are bass clef, so you need to use your bass clef letter names. And number 2, it wants you to write in the intervals now. So you can easily write in the notes according to the quantity. So a second, we go 1, 2. A second is going to be writing a D on that line. And then we need to make sure that it's a minor second. So this is C. We know that C major doesn't usually have anything in it. So we need to make this second note that we would have written there, that D, a semitone lower. So we need to add a flat to it. And then that would be our minor second. If we want to put a perfect fifth on there, we count up 5 using the spaces and the lines. So B, C, D, E, F. We need to put an F on the top. And we want this to be perfect. So that needs to be within the key signature of B flat. So we need to make sure that an F fits into B flat. So this has a B flat and an E flat. So yep, we just leave it as an F. So you keep going along like that. Remember, these ones are bass clef.